Hey you guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my dry spice blend for the chai masala. I don't actually use mine for tea. I put it in my coffee. That's my favorite way to have this. It's like the dirty hippie or dirty chai coffee. I'm not sure what it's called, but anyways, I used to buy this one, the Blue Lotus chai, and it was pretty expensive, and so this is a lot cheaper. I'm going to show you guys how to do it in this video. So for this blend, I used 1 nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1.5 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 4-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cardamom, 1 star anise, and 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. Once ground, this just about filled my little 8-ounce mason jar. I'm gonna put 1 nutmeg, and this is going to be about a teaspoon. Oh, wait. Yeah. Put like a teaspoon of, this is the cloves. And the same will be for this allspice. About 1 teaspoon. Maybe like 1.5 teaspoon, and this can all be adjusted according to how you like it. Some people don't even use the allspice, and so if you don't have one of these ingredients, then you can still make it even without all of the ingredients. So the same thing, I guess I'll put like 1.5 teaspoons of the pepper. I'm going to put like 2, it's like 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of the pepper. Then for the fennel seed, I'm going to put about a tablespoon of the fennel seeds. And then the cinnamon, this is about like a 4-inch piece, and I'm gonna be putting this all into the grinder that just fell on the floor.
Wasn't my fault. It was totally everybody. I mean the ghost. The ghost was in our house.
Oh yeah.
Totally wasn't me. I swear.
I'm gonna put a tablespoon of cardamom. I love cardamom. Cardamom is like my favorite. So I'll be putting that amount. 1 heaping tablespoon. We're gonna put the star anise. I'll probably just use 1 whole star anise, or maybe like 1 whole, and they're both kind of a little bit they're both kind of a little bit broken, so I'm gonna use those. Yes, and beautiful, even though they are broken. And then for the ground ginger, it doesn't fit.
Nothing fits.
I'm gonna put a couple. That's probably about a good tablespoon full of the ground ginger. So those are the spices
you need for mountain.
Yes, that's the spices that we're gonna need, that I'm gonna put into my chai, well, masala. I think chai means tea, but I'm not even putting tea in here. I like to put this in my coffee and make a dirty chai. So I'm gonna start just putting this all into my grinder.
Just stick it in there.
Put it all in there.
Oh, can I
And we're
mix
just
it?
gonna blend this. Yes.
Can I blend?
Where's the button? Aha, there it is. Okay, we have to like keep this thing on because it's broken.
Ready?
Out of the video?
We can't like the finger in the video like that.
What the heck are you
Behind the scenes.
Seems like it should work.
Let's see. See.
I mean, it's working, but it's definitely not crushing that nutmeg.
Dead.
Totally.
Dead in the world of crisis.
All right, let me go get my vitamins. Oh, what a pain. Behind.
Okay, we gotta beep that out. Still, behind the scenes. And yes, that has happened a long time ago. It's all green. So
This
that's,
is
oh
my
my god.
spice blender. It's stained from turmeric.
Still, behind the scenes.
Okay, the next thing after it's all crushed is I just put it into a mason jar using a funnel. And that is the blend of chai tea. So to use my chai, I just take about a half a teaspoon, and I like to take like a heaping half a teaspoon, sometimes even closer to a teaspoon, and I just put it into my coffee. And I always have to double check that this is my chai because I keep my cumin in a similar looking thing. So I always gotta double check that. But then I just drop my pod in and start my coffee right into my cup here. That is my coffee, my dirty chai coffee. It is really delicious and a lot cheaper than going to Starbucks every single time, and pretty easy to make. You can find most of those ingredients at either the health food store or at bulk food section in your store. I'll put some links online too, because sometimes it is more convenient just to have them, just to order them through Amazon. But I hope you guys give this a try. It's super delicious. Thank you so much for watching.